Marriage and Sexuality in Heavens. Christianity does speak of heaven, eternal joy, spiritual bodies, and the resurrection, but not in terms of sensual or physical companionship like whore. Jesus made it clear that earthly marriage and sexual relationships do not exist in heaven. Matthew 22:30, NIV. At the resurrection, people will neither marry nor be given in marriage. They will be like the angels in heaven. Meaning, after resurrection, human beings will be like angels. No marriage, no sexuality, no need for a partner like a whore. 2. Heaven is about union with God, not physical desires. Heaven in Christianity is about being in the presence of God, eternal worship, joy, and fellowship with God and other believers, not physical pleasures. Revelation 21:3-4. God's dwelling place is now among the people. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain. The focus is on spiritual fulfillment, not physical beauty or companions. 3. Resurrected bodies are spiritual, not fleshly. 1 Corinthians 15:42-44. The body that is sown is perishable, it is raised imperishable. It is sown a natural body, it is raised a spiritual body. Meaning, after death, the believers will have glorified spiritual bodies, not bodies built for physical desires. Final note. Christianity views heaven as perfect fellowship with God, where love is spiritual, not sensual, and the human soul is complete without needing sexual or physical companionship. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.